They run. The place is close by around here somewhere that built the actual the link for it because they come down 287 by my house all the time.
Oh, I hate it when they go get off base 20.
Yeah, because they can barely make it around.
Yeah, the trailers that attach the truck are just free floating.
Yeah, it is like the ramp isn't wide enough, so they're running with their outside wheels up on top of the curb to be able to make the turn. I'm going, one of these days, man, one of those guys.
You know.
I got a video of
I need to do.
Train hitting it didn't hurt.
Yeah.
pull it up.
Another one tough thing.
That's what I mean. It's not aluminum. It's made of, I don't know what it is.
Usually it's locomotive.
It's a bit 50 miles away though. My house, but the car show. This yeah, good guys. I don't know what it is, but it's a car show.
Destroyed everything but the